everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, a new week, a new Sunday. How are you all? I mean, it's Sunday when you watch this, but it's actually Saturday when I film this. So obviously I've not been to church today. That's tomorrow. I am just popping something on my iPad to watch while I get ready. Today is my uncle's birthday, and my aunt has decided to take him out for the day, and she also cares for my grandmother, and I have said, so she usually does her lunch and stuff for her, and I have said that I will go round and have lunch with Nana, just me and her, so that'll be cute because I don't think I've done that before. So I'm just getting ready. Very minimal makeup at the moment because if I've got to be brutally honest, I can't be bothered. But I always like to make a little effort for my little Nana because she's so cute and she loves it. I'm hoping I've got time to curl my hair because she loves that as well. My makeup drawer is such a mess. But first we're just going to pop on a little bit of face makeup and then get ready, do my hair, see if I've got time to do my hair. I'm just putting on a little bit of like bronzer. I don't really make much effort with my makeup at all. Smoothie today is papaya, mango, pineapple, like smoothie mix with almond milk, peanut butter and a banana, and it's delicious. So I'm now going to put you guys on a time lapse while I get ready, and then we'll go downstairs, get ready and then cycle over to hers. I'm also going to pop to my aunt's field just to check on her horses while she's out and possibly pick some more berries. Because she's got raspberries and they look incredible and I would like some more, so I'm going to ask her while I'm down there, can I please pick some more raspberries? So I'll take you there too. And then because it's my uncle's birthday, I have invited them round for tea, and George's dad, so my father-in-law, has literally just moved to the area this week. So he lives now up the road from George and I, which is so cute and it's so much better. I'm so happy for G because he's got his family, like a family member now close by. So it's really, really good for him. So yeah, so he's coming over as well. So that'll be so cute. So yeah, right. It'll be a lovely, lovely evening. I'm gonna go and get my life together. So now you're gonna be on a time lapse.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
All ready now. My makeup is just simple. Bit of eyeliner, mascara and little lipstick. So if you're interested, it is a Natural Collection one in the shade Chrisman. It's nearly gone though. I'm gonna need to get another one, but I desperately need a new mascara. Like my mascara, I don't remember when I bought it, so that's how old it is. I know it's probably bad for you, for your eyelashes, but I take my makeup off at night all the time, so. And there've been more important things like a new greenhouse to purchase, not eye mascara. So I finished my smoothie. So I'm gonna go wash these bits up now, get my things ready, get my bike ready, and go over to my little nana's. I'm gonna go over a little bit earlier to A, surprise her, and B, just because I thought it'd be nice for her. I know my hair's probably gonna go flat by the end of this video, but that's that. And I know I'm wearing a bike helmet, so it's probably gonna go flat by the time I get to my grandmother's, but oh well, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. Right, need to get things together, get things ready.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in.
Hello everyone, I'm down at the field now. The horses are out, there's no drama. You probably just all saw down my top, but oh well. Yeah, they're all out grazing. Not really bothered about me. Managed to get all the poo up though, so I helped my aunt out there, so that's great. And now we're going to go berry picking. Let's go and get some delicious berries together. Hello, I'm back. I have my produce. How amazing. This is the first plum I've picked. My auntie has, I don't know what these are called. Victoria plums. I want to say Victoria plums, but I'm going to try it. I don't know if it's ripe enough yet. Need to wait a little bit longer, but it's not going to be long till they're ready. So juicy. Right. I'll eat the rest of that when I get to the house. I found her last, sorry Angie, her last full strawberry. Honestly, it's like sweets. You just can't beat them. Homegrown strawberries are the best. Right, I'm gonna go back to the house now, to Nana's, make sure she's okay, have a big glass of water, change out of these wellies and 2 pairs of socks because my feet are sweating. The boys are all sorted, they're all okay. Pooh's been picked up, they're having a siesta right now. I'm gonna go home and see my 2 boys and relax before my uncle's birthday barbecue. Hello, I'm home now. Outfit change and my hair is up. To be honest, my hair went up as soon as I got to my grandmother's, so what's new there? Oh, I am tired now. So I'm going to make myself a nice drink in this pretty glass. It's not crystal, by the way, it's just from Asda, so it's not like crystal. I don't think George would allow me to have crystal, although I do have a crystal glass. Let me get it out. George wouldn't let me have proper crystal glasses because I would break them accidentally, but they would break. But this one is crystal. Maybe I'll have my drink in this actually and be really bougie. But yeah, you can tell it's crystal because, listen, ready? That means it's like pure, like, does nothing. That's the real deal, this is. But maybe I'll have my drink in this and just be bougie, I think, before the barbecue later. I'm gonna do that. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. But I had a really lovely day with my little Nana, bless her heart, she's so cute. We repotted a hydrangea, not at all. We took cuttings from a geranium and potted that, and she's adamant that it's not going to survive. And I said, you just don't know these things, just wait and see, and you never know. So I've got it in my greenhouse, I'm just going to nurture it and see what happens with it, basically. Then, as you saw, I had lunch with her, went to check on the horses, they are all a-okay. Picked up a load of poo, and then picked some berries, which got destroyed on my bike ride home. Not destroyed, but like they are all a bit smushed now. Where are they? I should make jam out of that instead of actual berries, but it's fine. I'm gonna just sit now for a bit before everyone arrives for the barbecue. So excited for my uncle's birthday, so that'll be so cute. Hopefully I will try to film a little bit for you all. I'll see what I can get. I need to transfer this footage over to my laptop anyway, so I'm gonna get my wonderful and amazing G to help me. When I say help me, I mean bring down things that I need from upstairs and help me, because he's just so amazing and he just does everything for me. Well, no, he doesn't. You know what I mean. He is so good. I'm slightly delirious now. I feel like I should have a coffee, but I don't think that's going to be a good idea. But I might make myself one. I'm off work tomorrow, so it doesn't really matter, ideally. But I want to sleep later. But is this a myth type thing? People say don't drink coffee. Sometimes I've had coffee and it's made no difference. Let me know. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling. Make my squash. Get the things that I want to upstairs, set up down here, do some journaling, edit a video, and relax before the barbecue. here now, cute. I'm gonna put my camera on charge for a bit before we start the barbecue. Now it's gone ever so slightly windy here. I don't know how successful this barbecue is going to be, but the great British spirit in me is that we'll just try and see how we go. So yeah, we're gonna pop to Sainsbury's to get some more coals, and if hopefully they have some, fingers crossed, and a couple of other bits for the salad, and then come back and attempt to do the barbecue. This is the thing with the British weather. One minute it's nice and sunny and hot, and the next minute it's windy, grey, dark, could rain. But we'll see, we'll see. But I wanted to just check in. So yeah, I'm gonna go put my camera on charge. Hello everyone. As you can see, I'm in bed. I need a hay fever tablet because my eyes are like burning. But I had such a lovely barbecue. I'm so sorry I didn't film any of it. I just ended up having such a lovely time with friends and, well, with family. So I just forgot, but I did take some pictures. So if you aren't following me already, head on over to my Instagram. I will leave my new Instagram handle in the description box below. I've got like Mount Kilimanjaro on my face here and here, but that's life. That's life. But I'm gonna tag this onto tomorrow as well, because I don't think I've filmed a great deal, so I'm gonna tag it onto tomorrow as well. So which is literally just going to be me pottering around, but mainly resting because I am so tired. So I'm going to be doing a lot of reading, journaling and relaxing, resting. So yeah, I will see you all in the morning. I hope you all have a lovely sleep, and see you then. See you in the morning.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기에. 자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을.
Good morning. Hello. My little baby. Hello, little baby. Oh, pardon you. My cat belches. He's such a good boy. He's so fussy after his breakfast. Aren't you? He's so fussy. Aren't cats like the best animal? It's very controversial. Some of you don't agree with me, but I think they're the best. Like, they're just so fluffy, so cuddly, but also like just have their own life. They don't need, I mean obviously they need looking after, like feeding, watering, but they're just not demanding. Although he can be, can't you? Hear him purring. Shh. You good boy, was that a nice breakfast? Hello everyone. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday today, Sunday morning. I said I was going to carry this vlog over from yesterday to today. And I'm not going to church this morning. I need a rest day. And when I say a rest day, I'm going to actually, the only jobs I'm going to be doing, and Joy's going to help me, is the washing. Washing the clothes, and the bedding, and that's it. I'm not doing any other job today. Good day to wash clothes and bedding. But yeah, that's it. We're almost gonna have a somewhat Sunday reset, but not, because we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna do loads of reading, journaling, and have a nice time. Because with me having multiple sclerosis, and the temperatures in the UK last week reached 40 degrees, which you probably all heard us moaning about, but that's just way too hot, and it really affected my MS. Not in the sense that it put me into a relapse, but I had really bad nerve pain throughout the heat because my body swells, and my fatigue and brain fog were bad, and then on top of that I wasn't sleeping properly because it was too hot. So I've missed out on I've had 3 nights of disturbed sleep, and I know everybody has, but to have my MS on top of that, I've been completely floored and knackered for the rest of the week. But I got all my jobs done on my previous days off. I have no more jobs to do today. I don't have to tidy the house or clean. I can just chill. So that's what I'm going to do. I do need to go and get the washing though from upstairs and put that on to wash. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to make myself my mocha and take it upstairs and start my reading morning. Light a candle. It's going to be amazing. He wants fuss, everyone. He wants fuss and cuddles. Athy. Thanks. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get the washing and then put it on and then come back down. He needs a brush. You need a brush. You really do need a brush. Oh my god, I'm gonna brush him first. I just can't cope with all this fur. I need to brush him. He's going to be brushed, right, and then I'm going to get washed.